Hello, people. My name is Advocate Wasi Sayed. I am a practicing lawyer at the Bombay High Court and registered at the Bar Council of Bombay and Goa. I have an experience of more than 5 years in the field of taxation, corporate law, and other areas of law as well. In the end of this video, I have given an indicative list of services which my company 360 Degree Tax Solutions renders. Coming to the main subject of this video, Safe Loans by SIDBI. SIDBI, the full form of SIDBI is Small Industries Development Board of India, is a government organization set up by the government of India to assist small and medium enterprises. But this particular scheme called the Safe Loan has been introduced by the government to assist the entrepreneurs, the first time entrepreneurs, the new entrepreneurs, to manufacture and render services related to products useful in fighting the corona pandemic. So we will be discussing in this video about all the major important points related to this government scheme called Safe Loan, regarding the eligibility, how we can get this loan, how we should apply, and what are the various features of this scheme. So right away, jumping into this video, I will introduce you to these points point by point, which will help you in understanding this scheme of the government. First of all, this scheme is being implemented by SIDBI, which is a government organization, and the full form of this scheme is SIDBI Assistance to Facilitate Emergency Safe Loan. Some important points of our features of this scheme is that first of all, there is no processing fees involved in availing this fees. The rate of interest is very low, it's only 5% per annum. The third point is you don't need to have any collateral if you are covered under the CGT MSME. CGT MSME is a different topic altogether, but please keep in mind that you don't need any collateral for this scheme. And this scheme is available up to 50 lakh rupees. The object of this scheme, the object of giving this loan is helping the manufacturers and service suppliers of products like sanitizer, hand gloves, ventilators, shoe covers, PPE, coverall, face mask, or any other services which have relation to fighting this corona pandemic. I would like to inform you that this is just a indicative list. This is not an exhaustive list. There can be other items also which are beneficial in fighting the corona pandemic. So this is just for an example I am showing you over these items. It is not that only for these items the loan will be given. The sixth point, coming to the sixth point about this scheme, is the purpose of this loan. The purpose of this loan is to fund the entrepreneurs for buying any equipment, plant and machinery, or raw material, or any other service which is going to help them in doing this kind of business, in manufacturing masks, ventilators, gloves, all these products which are related to corona pandemic. Now coming to a very important point, the eligibility. Only those applicants will be eligible who have shown a cash profit in their last 2 years balance sheet. Now a point arises over here, what is cash profit? Cash profit is nothing but it's that profit in which depreciation is added back. In other words, I would say profit before depreciation. Since depreciation is a non-cash expenditure in accounting parlance, if you think about it, depreciation is not a cash expenditure. So you should have in the preceding 2 years there should be a cash profit in your balance sheet. What it means is that you should have shown profit in the last 2 years in your income tax forms, income tax submissions. Now the second eligibility, very important eligibility, and this eligibility is related to your credit worthiness. The applicant should not be SMA 1 or SMA 2. Now I would like to explain to you what is SMA. SMA is actually, the full form is special mention account, and this is a term related to your CIBIL report. SMA 1 means if you have defaulted, or if you are overdue in principal or interest for more than 30 days but less than 60 days, then you would be considered as SMA 1. And if you, any of your loan which is overdue for more than 60 days but less than 90 days, you will be considered as SMA 2. Any loan which is overdue more than 90 days is classified as NPA. So you shouldn't be under this category of SMA 1 or SMA 2. The applicant should have an average CIBIL score as per the guidelines. The debt equity ratio should be 3:1, and the debt service coverage ratio should be 1.25. Validity of this scheme is up to 31st March 2021. So there's an entire year to apply. The repayment, I would like to explain to you, is for more than 5 years, and in which you will get a moratorium period of 1 year, and there are no prepayment charges. In case if you wish to close the loan before the tenure, there won't be any prepayment charges. And one more very important feature is that there is not going to be any physical inspection of your factory or of your unit. The personal visit will be done electronically through WhatsApp calling or through video conferencing, and there's not going to be any personal visit by any official or any bureaucrat from SIDBI. So the process has become very streamlined. And please note that there are no middlemen in this scheme. You can directly take assistance of any person who is knowledgeable in this field, and you can apply for this facility. I hope this video is giving you a lot of information, and we even plan in future to come up with such informative videos which can help our viewers to attain knowledge easily and in a simple way. Something I would like to say about my company, 360 Degree Tax Solutions. It is a company wherein there are a few professionals involved. Other than me, there are chartered accountants and there are company secretaries, and we render various kind of services. This is the list of services, and apart from these services, we also render services related to other legal areas as well. So if you are interested in any kind of legal consultancy related to taxation, corporate law, or even family law, marital issues, any kind of, our company is a place wherein you will get one-stop solution for all your issues. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.